Okay. So anyways, the recorder in case anyone wants to watch online. So now let's go back to this smart notebook. So I will tell you that I haven't seen these problems before. So maybe it takes me a little while to try to figure it out with you. Let me just write it out. Okay. Sine. Also, this smartboard I know is notorious for giving you issues a bit, so I'll try to keep it neat. Okay, sine x cosine x over 1 minus 2 sine squared of x equals tangent x over 1 minus tangent squared x. Okay, so let's see. So what I would try to do is I guess just start looking at the table and see if we could figure out anything that.
What I did is I made one sine squared plus cosine squared.
Okay. Where did you do that?
Yeah, right.
You wanna. So you made this.
No, the one. I made the one.
Oh, okay. So the. That was over here. And then minus 2 sine. Okay, nice. So then you're left with. So that cancels. And that cancels. Then you have cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x. So, okay. What would happen? I don't know if this is right. What if we tried doing something similar, like over here? I don't know if that would help. But or let me rewrite it. She didn't do any examples like this in class.
I asked her to help me for it, and she did that, and I thought it made it clear, but when I got back to my dorm, I couldn't do it.
Okay. Yeah. Right. Well. Could try bringing one side over.
Could we do sine over? No, never mind.
Trying to think. I feel like there were identities.
Do you think sine over cosine x minus sine x times cosine over cosine minus sine x would do any good?
You want to come up and show me what you're thinking?
Oh, sure.
Alright. Sure.
Oh, I really don't like this.
Yeah, I know. I don't like them either. I would just use the whiteboard to put the recording in down. So.
You think that's any good?
Wait, is this a minus? Is there supposed to be a minus here?
That's a, yeah, that's a minus.
Where?
Minus sine.
Okay. Yeah, they're hard to deal with.
And then maybe,
I mean, you could have. I guess you would just be going back to what you had before. So
do you want to try the other side? I think I have better luck with that. I think I was closer to the other side when I tried it.
What do you mean you were closer to the other side?
Well, when I did this side, I was able to get the bottom, but not the top.
Okay. So what did you do so far?
I haven't really done anything. I've just,
Okay.
I've tried both sides, but I haven't been
You
able
haven't
to
done
actually
it.
something.
Okay. So I know there's an identity for 1 plus tangent squared. This is 1 minus. So,
We would do the same thing on the other side with the 1, except with
Right.
tan and secant.
right. Okay, so we could try that. You're saying that we would just do secant squared minus tangent squared over here.
I'm sorry, I'm not used to this.
That,
Yeah,
You're saying we
so
would
the
just
one
do-
would be, oh my god. The one would be,
right.
the one would be secant squared, tan squared minus secant squared.
Isn't it secant squared minus tangent squared?
Yeah, secant squared minus tangent squared.
Right. So we could try that. Let's see what happens. So this would be secant squared minus tangent squared minus 1. So if you want to rewrite it. Sine x cosine x squared cosine squared x minus
I
sine.
thought, you can't do that, can you?
What?
It has to be the original denominator.
Isn't this what this is?
Yeah, but I thought you could only solve for one side.
You could do it. You can move it around as you want.
Could you?
Well,
I
she's
thought-
saying prove that it's an identity.
Yeah, I think you have to prove it was equal to the other side.
So for her thing, she's saying prove that it's an identity. So you have to prove that one side is equal to the other side.
Okay.
So I don't see why you can't move around both unless she's saying,
The instructions are, let me see. Yeah, just show that it's an identity.
so I'm guessing you're just showing that one side is essentially equal to the other.
Mhm.
But I would think you can move it around as you want as long as you end up with two sides that
That are equal.
are equal.
Okay, I buy that.
I would think so. I never had to do this, so that's why I'm a little bit not so used to it. But let's just try that. This is totally not what you're learning in class.
Well, this is a review.
Oh, it's a review.
Yeah.
That's fine. Okay. noch Bedarfswissen noch. If you multiply this whole thing by negative 1, then this would just be 1. Right? I don't know. I do think it's illegal.
That was
So that would be sin x. Wait.
I think it was one before.
I'm just going back to what we did.
Yeah.
We started off with what? Okay, so I'm gonna get a piece of paper because working this out for forward. Just wanna see something.
Can I write on this whiteboard?
Sure. I don't think there's anyone on the thing anyways. So it's like for the purpose of someone wanting to watch. But if they were watching, then probably they would just gone. So Any knowledge?
I think I'm doing somewhere.
Okay, good. Let's see what you got.
I have this as cosine squared minus 1.
Okay.
Let me see. Let me keep trying.
So I'm trying to see what you did.
I did, I multiplied, I did the sine squared 1 minus cosine x.
Okay. And then you distributed the 2?
Yeah. I did this, but I brought it back to a 1.
Okay, 1 minus 2. So I have to distribute the 2 here.
1 minus 2 plus,
That's what I did also. I did the same thing and then I realized I didn't distribute the 2.
minus,
And then,
okay. So this is actually negative 2 plus 2 plus 2.
Right, I actually tried the same thing. Let me make sure all your signs are right. That's 1. I think I'm secants and
You can try that.
alright. Maybe I'll try it on the other.
I did this yesterday. This was pretty close.
Okay.
That's what I was talking about. I was able to get the sine squared x.
Okay. You're saying that was over cosine squared x. Let's try to look at that.
Oh, actually?
You got it?
Oh, no, no.
No?
This is close though, still.
Okay.
It's sine x over 1 minus 2 sine x.
So what's the issue?
We need cosine. Sine times.
No, if you could show that they're equal, you should be able to work backward. So you got that they're equal, right?
What? Sine times sine x times cosine?
Right. No, but it looks like you crossed that cosine. That's what I'm.
Well, I still have one in the denominator.
Wait, this is what I. Can you? Wait, is this just one side of the equation you're showing?
This is this side, yeah.
Okay, and what's the other side?
This one.
Okay, so you got it to be this.
Yeah.
You got this one side to look like this.
Uh-huh.
And you didn't adjust the other side.
No.
I don't know, that's a little weird, because sine x equals sine x times cosine.
That's what I'm saying.
Right. So how did you get there?
So this is, so one is secant squared minus tangent squared, and this is secant squared, and tangent squared minus tangent squared minus tangent squared is minus 2 tangent squared, and this is it broken up. And this is supposed to be the top, and the result of this is down here. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And as you multiply the reciprocal. This should be cosine squared. Cosine squared. So it should still be cosine on top. So that is right.
You got it.
There we go.
Okay, cool. Nice.
Right?
Let's double check. So this is 1 is secant squared x minus tangent squared x. So that's your secant squared x minus your tangent squared x.
Let's run through it again on the smartboard now.
Okay, fine. Let's do that. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
So, then working with the right side, we have 10x over 1. Should I write the formulas over here?
Or you could just like substitute, like if you want to just substitute in, like, I guess skip that step. So show like that
The
is,
substitution?
yeah.
Okay. So you want me to
So
just
write-
write it out first and then put it in?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you go check this on the paper? I don't want to be wrong.
Sure. So secant squared x
Minus 10 squared x Is that it?
Yeah, 1 plus tangent squared x equals secant squared x. Good.
Secant x minus 2 tan squared x. And if we make up the top, sin over cosine x over secant squared.
Yeah.
How do you do this? It's kind of cool. Oh.
Your x moved a bit.
We have something x over cosine x.
But are you missing a cosine squared
Where?
x under here?
Well, they have the denominator, so we don't need it. No? Or am I? Oh,
Well,
yeah.
yeah, you
No,
didn't get
you're
rid of it, yeah. You did it right though. It's just, do you remember all the steps you went through?
Cosine squared x over 1 minus 2 sin x, which is
But don't forget the squared.
I tried to put it in there. Is equal to, we got.
It's just sine x, cosine
These, this cancels. That cancels. Sine x. Cosine. Minus 2 sine squared. Is that right?
Yeah,
Okay.
awesome.
That was my question. I think we were overthinking that.
I think so too. it's funny how like you could try a million different possibilities and different pages. I know I did that in physics also.
I was getting so frustrated.
And then when you figure it out, it's like, oh, why didn't I think of that, right?
Oh, I wanted to ask her again, but I didn't want her to be like, oh my God, who's this guy?
Yeah.
You don't know trigonometries?
Well, that's awesome. Do you have any other questions? Or?
No, that was it.
Okay, well, that's pretty awesome that you got everything else in the class besides that.
Is that it then?
Yes, I just want to, I mean, if you don't have any other questions, if you want to do a general review, but it seems like you pretty much know your stuff.
Yeah, I study a lot.
Okay, nice. Anyways, one thing is I want us to make sure that people come. So if you could just write your name and ID number, I don't know if you know.
I have my
Very card. All right, well, if anyone's watching out there, now you know how to do this hard problem. I think there's a way to check.
What do you mean?
Check if anyone's listening to this. Let's see. Participants.